Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start on the video page, pause it so controls stay visible. You want to remove English audio now, so click Settings, Gear on desktop or tap the screen on mobile. Once done, look for audio track or language. Not every upload has multiple tracks. If it does, select the non-English option immediately. If you don't see an audio track, make sure captions and auto-generated language settings are noted, because the next step will swap tracks or disable English captions and audio sources. Now you perform the middle steps. If YouTube provides multiple audio tracks, select the one you prefer and resume playback so the change takes effect. If there is only English audio, enable captions, then auto-translate and pick the target language. This isn't pure audio replacement, but it removes English as the primary comprehension cue. Make sure to test full playback for sync. Also check the app's three-dot menu on mobile. Some apps hide language under More Options. Toggle there to complete the switch. Finish by watching a minute to confirm English audio is gone or subtitles in the new language are active. Make sure volume and audio focus are correct. Sometimes two tracks overlap if live mixes exist, so pause and retry. If YouTube lacks needed options, consider downloading with permission or opening in an external player that supports track switching versus forcing a site change. If things go wrong, clear the cache, update the app or browser, and try another device. Those steps resolve most stuck English.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.